we're back, and now we're going to make this ping pong ball float. Do you think it will float? Okay, turn on the hairdryer. It's not floating. Okay, stop it. Do you think this balloon will float higher than this ping pong ball? Just say it in the comments, and then they'll tell us. Okay. I would say it went higher. Well, now this is what you call high. Okay, now stop it. Done. Okay, next we're gonna have an even bigger balloon. Do you think it will float higher than this balloon? We'll have to find out. I think you're gonna kneel for this. You're gonna need to kneel for this one. Yeah, she needed to. And if she did that, that would be going pretty high.
Can you do two at the same time?
Two at the same time.